Welcome back to Market Mindset Pod. I'm your host, Big Money Mike, here to help you navigate the chaos with a little bit of wisdom and a whole lot of opinions. Today, we're talking about Trump's tariff rampage, meme stocks making a comeback, the airline sector's latest mess, and a stock pick that might just have you wagging your tail. Let's get into it. If you had Trump slaps new tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and China on your 2025 market bingo card, congrats, you win. Here's the breakdown. Canada and Mexico. 25% tariffs on auto parts, steel, and aluminum. This could raise car prices in the US and make domestic automakers scramble for alternative suppliers. Ford and GM stocks took a 2 to 3% hit, while US steel producers saw a brief rally. China, 10% tariffs on consumer electronics and semiconductors. This hits Apple, Dell, and HP hard, as they rely heavily on Chinese supply chains. Expect these companies to pass on higher costs to consumers. Retailers feeling the squeeze. Walmart and Target both dipped slightly, but analysts say they'll likely offset costs with private label brands and price adjustments. Markets initially freaked out, with the Dow dropping 1.5% before clawing back losses once Trump agreed to negotiate with Mexico and Canada, which, let's be real, probably just means delaying things for a month. The takeaway? Expect more volatility. Trump's tariffs are more of a bargaining chip than an economic strategy. So if history tells us anything, this roller coaster is far from over. Remember the GameStop, GME, and AMC roller coaster of 2021? Yeah, well, buckle up, because meme stocks are mooning again. GameStop surged 40% in one day after a cryptic tweet from Roaring Kitty, the Reddit trader who started the first short squeeze. No actual business changes, just internet hype at its finest. AMC is up 35% despite its box office revenue still lagging behind pre-pandemic levels. Retail traders are hoping for a comeback, but the fundamentals don't exactly scream strong recovery. Even Bed Bath & Beyond's zombie ticker, BBBYQ, is trading again. Yes, the same Bed Bath & Beyond that went bankrupt last year. Reddit traders are back at it, trying to squeeze the shorts, and honestly, it's entertaining and terrifying. Should you jump in? Probably not, unless you like living dangerously. But one thing's for sure, the meme stock madness isn't dead yet. Airlines are not having a great week, and this time, it's not just because your flight was delayed. A mid-air collision near Washington, D.C. has regulators scrambling to enforce stricter safety measures. FAA investigations could lead to higher costs for airlines as they update safety protocols. Southwest and American Airlines stocks dropped 6% and 5%, respectively, amid fears that rising fuel prices and safety concerns could eat into profits. JetBlue and Spirit merger might be dead in the water. JetBlue is considering walking away from its $3.8 billion deal, and Spirit is now in serious financial trouble if the deal collapses. The industry is facing some serious turbulence, figuratively and literally. If you're investing in airlines, keep an eye on safety regulations, fuel prices, and any surprise government interventions. All right, time for our stock pick of the week, and this one might be a little surprising. Petco, woof, is quietly making moves. While tech stocks and AI hype dominate the headlines, Petco's business has been quietly outperforming expectations. Pet spending is recession-proof. People will cut back on their own expenses before they stop buying food and vet care for their pets. Vet services are booming. Petco's in-store veterinary clinics are expanding rapidly, with over 200 new locations planned this year. Earnings beat expectations. Petco's latest earnings report showed 7% revenue growth, and their subscription-based pet wellness program is locking in recurring revenue. Petco isn't the flashiest stock, but it's a steady grower with a strong moat. Keep an eye on this one. It could be a sleeper hit. And that's a wrap for today's Market Mindset Pod. We covered Trump's tariffs shaking up trade, meme stocks making a wild comeback, airlines struggling with safety and pricing wars, and a stock pick that might just be barking up the right tree. Thanks for tuning in. Stay sharp, stay informed, and most importantly, stay in the mindset. This is Big Money Mike signing off. Catch you next time.